Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur, has made an exciting announcement that is set to shake up the AI landscape. He is planning to launch his own version of GPT called TruthGPT. This unique AI model aims to provide unbiased and neutral information, focusing solely on reporting facts. There are plenty of intriguing details to delve into regarding this development, so let's explore this fascinating update in the ever-evolving AI race. To truly grasp the significance of TruthGPT, it's crucial to understand the backstory behind its creation. In the early days of ChatGPT, users were engaging in meaningful conversations until some controversial questions were posed. This led to articles claiming that ChatGPT displayed specific biases and would avoid making comments on certain topics, sparking outrage among some individuals. The controversy gained traction, with one viral tweet alleging that ChatGPT would praise Joe Biden but not Donald Trump, igniting further debate on inherent bias in AI models. Enter Elon Musk, who happens to have a strong presence on Twitter. He noticed the discussion surrounding ChatGPT and expressed the need for a different solution. In a tweet, he proclaimed the necessity of a truth-seeking AI model, which served as the catalyst for the birth of TruthGPT. It's important to note that Elon Musk had been voicing concerns about AI's potential dangers for years. During an interview on the Tucker Carlson show, he highlighted the control exerted by Microsoft and Google over ChatGPT, suggesting the need for a third option. Elon Musk's ambition to create a maximum truth-seeking AI became evident through his various statements. He emphasized the importance of developing an AI that prioritizes understanding the nature of the universe and promotes the safety of humanity. His concerns centered around preventing AI from leading us into a dystopian future, as he believed that aligning AI's objectives with a genuine quest for truth would reduce the risk of it posing a threat to humanity. Musk acknowledged that his entry into the AI race might be considered late, but he remained determined to make a significant impact. It's worth mentioning that Elon Musk's involvement in AI is not new. He co-founded OpenAI, the company responsible for creating ChatGPT, in 2015. However, he stepped down from the company in 2018 to focus on his ventures with Tesla and SpaceX. Nevertheless, his influence in the AI community and his continuous warnings about the potential dangers of unchecked AI development have remained significant. In recent news, Elon Musk has launched a new company called X2AI, hinting at its connection to TruthGPT or some form of AI technology related to the latest wave of generative pre-training transformers. One can't help but wonder how Elon Musk's AI endeavors will fare against established players like ChatGPT and OpenAI. The AI race is progressing rapidly, with companies deploying their tools at a fast pace, often leaving safety considerations in the background. Google's recent failure with BART, an AI model created by the same technology that powers GPT, serves as a reminder that challenges and limitations persist. Regardless of the outcome, it's likely that Elon Musk will enjoy strong support from his dedicated following. His influence and charismatic leadership have cultivated a devoted community around him. It's important to remember that the pitfalls of AI often stem from its users, as demonstrated in past instances where open-source AI bots were quickly trained to exhibit racist behavior. Therefore, Elon Musk's ability to address potential issues and ensure responsible usage will be critical for the success of TruthGPT. It is crucial to acknowledge the potential dangers associated with AI becoming more powerful than humans. Elon Musk's concerns about AI evolving into an immortal dictator reflect the need for cautious development. He believes that by cultivating an AI that genuinely seeks to understand the universe, the risks of AI turning against humanity can be mitigated. This perspective aligns with his overarching goal of ensuring the safety and well-being of humanity in the face of rapid technological advancement. While the establishment of X2AI suggests Musk's commitment to creating a successful alternative to existing AI models, the question remains: can he catch up to the progress made by ChatGPT and OpenAI? With a significant concentration of talent at these established companies, Musk faces the challenge of attracting and retaining top-tier talent for his own venture. However, his reputation, charisma, and track record of groundbreaking innovations might give him a competitive edge. In the ever-evolving landscape of AI, Where companies are prioritizing speed and deployment, Elon Musk's focus on safety and unbiased AI represents a refreshing departure. The potential risks of AI falling into the wrong hands or being used irresponsibly cannot be overlooked. Therefore, Musk's dedication to creating an AI model that prioritizes truth and accuracy should be applauded. As the race for AI supremacy continues, it will be interesting to see how Elon Musk's TruthGPT fares against its competitors. Whether it matches up to the capabilities of ChatGPT or OpenAI remains to be seen. Nonetheless, Musk's unique perspective and commitment to addressing the potential pitfalls of AI make him a formidable player in this dynamic field.